So, hi all. Again, we are going to see the third topic in Introduction to Problem Solving Techniques unit. So, the third topic is algorithms and building blocks of algorithm. So, let us see what is an algorithm is and what are all the building blocks for creating an algorithm or for writing an algorithm. Okay, so let's move on to the topic. So, what is an algorithm? Algorithm is a sequence of instruction that describe a method for solving a problem. Okay, it is a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. In algorithm, we are going to split the problem into sequence of instructions. So, if we are able to split the algorithm, the problem is half done. Okay, so algorithm is a sequence of instructions that describe a method for solving a problem. It is a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. So these are the properties of algorithm. It should be written in simple English. Each and every instruction should be precise and unambiguous. Instructions in an algorithm should not be repeated infinitely. Algorithm should conclude after a finite number of steps, should have an endpoint. So derived results should be obtained only after the algorithm terminates. So what are all the qualities of a good algorithm? A good algorithm must not consume more time, and it also it should not occupy most of the memory, and the algorithm should be accurate. Okay, so the same thing it is given here. So algorithm will be providing an input, the set of rules to obtain the expected output from the given input. So in processing the input given, we will get an output. So this is the algorithm called. Okay, so okay, for example, let's see SE programming for print the string welcome to SNSCT. Okay, so in first program we are going to write. So we'll go from the algorithm. So we are just going to start the coding. Okay, start writing the algorithm. First we'll write start, then print welcome to SNSCT. This is our ultimate aim of this C program. We just need to print this string called welcome to SNSCT in the output screen. Then we are going to stop our program. Okay, so this is the algorithm. So like this only we have to write our algorithm, that is in simple English. Okay, so this is the flow chart of the above algorithm. We are going to start our writing our program. We are going to print this welcome to SNSCT string, and then we are going to stop the program. So with the help of algorithm and this flow chart, we are going to write a program, C program. What hash include stdio.h means is, hash include means we are going to include some library files into our program for standard input and output. The standard input and output are printf and scanf. Printf is used to print the statement or print the output. Scanf is used to get input from the user. So for scanf and printf, we are going to use or include this library file called stdio.h. Okay, so there is also another library file called conio.h, which will be using for common input and output functions. Okay, so next, after including the library file, next we are going for the main function. So in main, here open bracket, close bracket, inside that main function we are going to just print the statement and return 0. Since what return 0 means is our program has executed successfully without any error. Okay, so this return, the purpose of writing return statement here is, we have mentioned the main function return type as int. Suppose the main function does not have any return type, which means if it is void, the return statement, this statement is of no use. So we need not write this fourth line. Okay, what will be the output of the above program, which is the string welcome to SNSCT, which we give inside the double quotes in printf statement. So this is the output. So building blocks of algorithm. So building blocks of algorithm are statements, state, control flow and functions. Okay, so statement is a single action in computer. So input data, process data, output data, state. What do you mean by state is transition from one process to another process under specified condition within a time is called state. The third one is control flow. The process of executing the individual statements in a given order is called control flow. The control can be executed in three ways: sequence, selection and third one is iteration. Okay, so these are the building blocks of algorithm. So this is selection. We are going to select either this side or this side. So this is called selection. This is iteration. After performing or validating this condition, we will be moving towards the next step. So this is iteration. This is sequence, step by step. So this is called